In this video, I want to show you how to use sessions and session tracking with session configuration. So what is session? This is a simple diagram here. So session in a computer programming session variables store temporary information, sometimes used for retrieving and viewing data on multiple web pages. Websites requiring a username and password use session variables to help transfer data between web pages, but only while the user is logged into this computer session is invoked. So let's move to the next slide. What is session tracking? So, session tracking is a way to maintain state of an user. It is also known as session management in the servlet. So HTTP protocol is a stateless, so we need to maintain state using session tracking techniques. Each time user request to the server, then server treat the request as a new request. So we need to maintain the state of an user to recognize the particular users. So we know that there are four techniques used in session tracking. Those are cookies, hidden from field, URL rewriting, and the HTTP sessions. This is the main idea of session tracking. Let's move to another slide. What is session configuration? Session configuration or endpoint is a collection of local computer settings that determine such things as which users can create sessions on the computer, which commands users can run in those sessions, and where the session should run as a privileged virtual account. So, the simple idea of session configuration. Let's move to the practical part and the NetBeans. In NetBeans, I create new project here, Java web application, session as the project name. This is the newly created web application. Here I add new Java package .java that. So in here I add the servlet. This is I remove all those unused things. Yeah, I override the do get method. I remove that one. I add HTTP session. So now I create servlet. Then I want to add the index JSP file. I add as index. And here I add title as session. Hello. Here I want to add the here I add the send redirect, and then let's go to the home.jsp. Then I want to add home.jsp in home.jsp. Title as same title. So then I deploy my application. Here my application was deployed successfully. Let's look at the output here. localhost 8080, there's my application name, index.jsp, here print as hello, and go to the home.jsp, it's print as hello world. So this is the output of the article. So